Let's go through equal 2200. Find all key distance the indexes in an array. For this question, it gives us the integer array nums and also an integer key. We need to find the indexes which is a number which is equals the key, and also the indexes which have the differences uh, absolute difference to this I minus j smaller equals to k. That is, for example, we have 9, right? So if k is 1, so we'll see this the fourth index and these three will all satisfy condition, and also this 9, right? You see 3, 3, 9, 5 all satisfy condition. So if we brute force to find the key, and then we use for loop to have this kind of index minus k and plus k, it will be O n k time complexity, right? Space will be O n. But we can use diff array to simplify this to get the time complexity to be O n. So let's use a diff array because that means that for diff array, right? If we find it, then this kind of index, we just have we have the I minus k to be plus 1, right? And also I plus k plus 1 to be minus 1, right? So for all of this, we have a sum variable, all of the sum greater than 0, those kind of index should be put into our result. Let's write code for this. So we have int n equals nums dot length, and let's have sum equals to 0. So we are going to have a diff array equals new int n plus 1, right? So we need to um, for int I equals to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Then we're going to have if nums are equals key, then we're going to have um, if so let's have the int left equals max dot max, right? Because we cannot set this auto bound. So 0 I minus k, right? And also int right equals max dot min uh and I plus k plus 1, right? So for this one, for minus 1, we have the index, the right index plus 1, right? Then we'll have if left plus plus and diff right minus minus. Then we need a result. So let's still go through all of the index for int equals to 0 is smaller than plus plus, right? So we're going to have sum should plus equal to diff. Then we'll write if a sum is greater than 0, our result should add. Then return result. It is ON time complexity for this approach. Python code, let's also write a Python code. So we'll have n equals length nums and diff equals this one, 1 to 5, and plus 1, right? Then for I in range, and we're going to have if nums are equals key, then we're going to have left equals max 0 minus k, right? And right equals min n and I plus k plus 1. Then we'll have diff left plus equal to 1, diff right minus equal to 1, right? Then we go through we have result equals this, right? And we go through the index. We also have current sum equals 0. So for I in range, and that have current sum should plus equal to give I. So we'll say if the current sum is greater than 0, then results append I. So in the end, just return result.